Today we will learn about interpreting tables. So what are tables? Basically, it is a tool to display information. Tables can display words or numbers. Now there are different parts of a table. These include heading, rows, and columns. There should be a suitable heading for the table and for the rows and columns as well. Rows. A row is a horizontal line in a table, while a column is a vertical line in the table. Okay, so we have an example here. The following table shows the information regarding the number of students in different classes. In year 1, there are 12 boys and 18 girls. In year 2, there are 14 boys and 13 girls. In year 3, there are 8 boys and 29 girls. In year 4, there are the same number of girls and boys, that is 14. Now, present the data in the form of a table and then interpret the table and answer the following questions. So here we have the data in form of a table, and let's try to answer the following questions. First question is, how many boys are there in year 2? As we can see in the table, there are 14 boys in year 2. Question 2 is, how many students are there in year 4? As we can see in the table, highlighted in red color, the number of boys are 14 in year 4 and the number of girls are also 14 in year 4. So the total number of students are 14 add 14, that is equal to 28. Now let's try another question. Katie and her family are going to the zoo. Katie's family has 7 members including her. The family includes her father, mother, grandmother, herself, who is 7 years old, and her 3 sisters, 8 years, 6 years, and 3 years old. Now, what is the total amount of money spent by Katie's family on the tickets? As we can see in this table, there is cost for different types of tickets. The first is adult male ticket, and the cost is £3.5. Adult female ticket, which is 25p less than the adult male ticket, and child ticket that costs £1.25. Now let's try to solve the question. The number of adults in the family who are going to the zoo are 3, mother, father, and grandmother. Now the number of male adults are 1 and cost of one male adult ticket is £3.5 and number of female adults are 2. So the cost of 2 female adult tickets will be 2 times £3.25. That is equal to £6.5. And we have number of children equal to 4, Katie and her 3 sisters. So the cost of 4 children tickets is equal to £1.25 times 4, which is equal to £5. So the total cost will be £3.5 add £6.5 add £5, which is equal to £15, which is the total cost of all the tickets.